Hello and welcome to this Forefront Cabinet Recrafting course. I am so excited that you've joined us. I'm Scott Ackley, owner of Ackley Cabinet. We've been transforming our clients' kitchens with our system for over 20 years. And today we are going to show you step by step how you can apply our system to existing kitchens and give your clients a custom kitchen without any tear out. This is a hybrid system that uses solid wood face frames sized to go over existing cabinets with new inset doors. We always install new trim, soft close hinges, new drawer boxes, all sorts of storage upgrades to make the space much easier to work with, and basically giving the kitchen a second chance. And there's so many projects and so many clients who find us who feel that they want to do more than just paint their cabinets. They don't feel that that's going to give them the end result or the options that they're looking for in their home, while still being apprehensive about the snowball effect of tearing the cabinets out, the quality of the cabinets that may be installed, depending on their budget, along with the fit and finish of the installation. And the following videos will walk you through step by step how we apply our system to transform spaces in an efficient way so that you can do the project quickly, have many happy clients, and end up with great referrals. So we'll see you in the following videos, and if you ever have any questions, feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching.